Look around you. This is what's left of 2025. The broken promises, the abandoned dreams, the person you swore you'd become, still waiting, still hoping, still tomorrow. You stand in the ruins of your own potential, and the silence is deafening. Every goal you didn't chase, every excuse you made, every time you chose comfort over conquest, they're all here, staring back at you, judging you. But beneath the rubble, something stirs, something dangerous, something that refuses to stay buried. Let me tell you what 2026 demands. It doesn't want your resolutions. It doesn't want your half-hearted promises. It wants blood. It wants sacrifice. It wants the death of who you were, that version of yourself, the one with reasons and excuses, the one who always had tomorrow, dead. The person who said I'll start Monday, dead. The dreamer who never moved, dead. That comfortable identity you've been clinging to, it has to die, not fade away, not evolve, die, violently, completely. Because 2026 has no room for ghosts. You loved that version, didn't you? The one who could blame circumstances, the one who had it rough, the one who deserved sympathy. But here's the truth, they won't tell you. Your pain was never meant to destroy you. It was meant to forge you. Every betrayal was a lesson in self-reliance. Every failure was a blueprint of what not to do. Every person who walked away, they cleared the path. You thought you were being broken down. Fool, you were being built up. The universe wasn't punishing you. It was preparing you. They thought they were destroying you. They thought the weight would crush you. They thought the darkness would consume you. They were wrong. Because here's what they didn't understand. You don't fear the darkness anymore. You've learned to see in it. You've learned to move in it. You've learned to become it. The game was rigged. The rules were never fair. So stop playing by them. Flip the table. Burn the rule book. Write your own. 2026 isn't about becoming a better version of yourself. It's about becoming unrecognizable. Asterisk. This is where it starts. Not with motivation. Not with inspiration. With elimination. Cut them off. Every voice that planted doubt. Every person who celebrated your struggles. Every distraction disguised as friendship. Reset means going dark. Going silent. Disappearing from their world while you build yours. Let them wonder where you went. Let them ask what happened. Let them never get an answer. Delete the old. Burn the bridges. Clear the slate. Not because you're running away. Because you're making room for war. Asterisk. Now you rebuild. But not the way they expect. In silence. In shadows. In the hours they're sleeping. In the moments they're comfortable. Restart means obsession. Not balance. Not moderation. Obsession. While they're talking about their goals, you're executing yours. While they're seeking approval, you're seeking domination. While they're waiting for the right time, you're creating it. Build your empire in the dark. Let them see the finished product, never the process. Because the restart isn't for them to understand. It's for you to become. Asterisk. This is where amateurs fall. This is where the weak reveal themselves. Refocus means tunnel vision. Means every decision filtered through one question. Does this move me closer to domination? If it doesn't, it dies. That party doesn't move you forward, dies. That relationship draining your energy doesn't move you forward, dies. That comfort zone you keep crawling back to doesn't move you forward, dies. Refocus means becoming brutally selective. Means understanding that every yes to distraction is a no to your destiny. Your focus becomes a weapon. Your discipline becomes legendary. Your obsession becomes your identity. And they'll call you crazy. They'll say you've changed. They'll say you're doing too much. Good. Let them say it. Let them whisper. Let them watch from the sidelines as you rewrite your entire existence. Asterisk. Because 2026 isn't just another year. It's a declaration of war. War against mediocrity. War against comfort. War against the person you used to be. And in war, there's no room for mercy. No room for doubt. No room for looking back. I reset. I eliminate. I cut away everything that held me down. I restart. I rebuild. I create something they've never seen before. I refocus. I lock in. I become inevitable. And when they finally see what I've become, it will be too late. Too late to compete. Too late to catch up. Too late to stop what I've started. They wanted the old me. The one they could predict. The one they could contain. Tell them that version died in 2025. Tell them something new emerged. Something focused. Something dangerous. Something unstoppable. Asterisk, the reset is complete. The restart has begun. The focus is locked. 2026 isn't the year I find myself. It's the year I create myself. From scratch. From darkness. From absolute zero. And when they write my story, they won't call it a comeback. They'll call it a takeover. Welcome to my year. Welcome to my reign. Welcome to the year I stopped asking for permission and started taking what's mine. The old me. Buried. The new me. Inevitable. It's time.